morning, Libra. Today is Tuesday, November 9th, 2021. The Capricorn moon sextiles the Scorpio sun as Mercury approaches a conjunct with Mars. Late tonight, the moon moves into Aquarius. The energy could shift just as you settle at the bed. This is Libra Today, a Spotify original from Parcast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a productive day in the life vlog. Probably a few days in the life, to be honest, but this week, new week, and I'm determined to make it a productive one. It is now Tuesday. I didn't film yesterday because it was, beginning of the week. It was a bit chaotic. But today's Tuesday, brand new vlog. So I just figured I would pick up the camera and film throughout the next few days. Today, like I said, it's Tuesday. It is, I think, November 9th. It's about almost 9:30, so I'm going to head to work soon. But if you didn't know from my other videos, I do work from home. I work from 9 to 5. So I do work full-time, so it is a little bit tricky trying to also stay productive in my own personal life and getting content and stuff, but we will see how it goes. So for today's order of business, just from the top of my head, actually, you know what, no, I'll grab my planner because we have a lot to do. Okay, so on the to-do list today, I need to do the dishes, possibly go on a walk during my lunch break, because as you guys probably know, it's now daylight savings time, and as a result, it gets dark here around 5, so after work I can't go on a walk because safety. I need to, already read this morning, so I'll cross that off. I read this morning, but I do need to read tonight. I need to do a bit of manifestations, workout, stretch. I need to add up my box braiding. If you hear that, my box braiding video, which will probably be out hopefully by the time you see this video. Definitely will be out by the time you see this video. So I need to edit that. I need to edit my blog, film this video, do some meditations, do my eyebrow, possibly order a tote bag. I'll talk about that in a second. I need to fold my laundry and probably other stuff as well. So that is my day today. Super busy. I have a lot of things to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing on the to-do list, I think I'm going to plan my work day, because on top of all that other stuff, I do obviously have work related stuff to do today. And then I think after that, honestly, I'm just gonna go straight into editing my box braid video. It's honestly almost done. I don't have much to do, so I kind of want to just get that done and over with, but we shall see. I might end up changing my mind, and then after that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the dishes just to get that over with, especially before lunchtime. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plan my work day. Just get something that's actually worth my money instead of trying to throw this trash away. There for now. So I just made myself a fresh cup of tea, put on a candle. Now I'm gonna get back to work. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get to work. I'm sorry I'm filming on my phone, but as you saw, I was editing my video and I'm using the SD card. But I'm quickly having a snack before I head on my walk and go and do the dishes. Just thought I would show you, just eating some pineapple, and I'm going to be trying this Alani Nu Fit protein shake, the cookies and cream flavored. They're finally starting to sell more Alani Nu products at my local health shop, so figured I'd do a on-camera taste test, because on top of this video of me trying to be productive, I am trying to eat better, a little bit more healthier. Last week was not great in the health department, but is what it is. Happens sometimes, but I do want to get back on track. So yeah, I started to incorporate a bit more protein and protein shakes in my diet because like I said, I'm starting to go on walks in the afternoons now because of daylight savings, and I can't do it in the evening. Don't want to get too hungry, so I'm gonna have one of these. So I'm gonna try this. More packaging. Let's see what tastes. I'm notorious for not really liking protein shakes. I tried the Premier Protein one. It was okay. I don't know if I would have it if I buy it again, but it's not bad, but it definitely has that weird protein aftertaste, and it kind of tastes like coffee. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just addicted to coffee, but it does have a very caffeinated aftertaste. But anyways, I'm gonna drink this. I'm going to finish importing some footage and hopefully get the dishes done before my walk. So let's go. Okay, so it's actually a lot later. Take my glasses off because the glare is annoying, but it's actually a lot later. I haven't really spoken to you guys all day, but like I was saying earlier, I uploaded a new video, so I'll have that linked down below. And I was using the same SD card, but now it's all freed up so I can continue vlogging. Today was pretty productive. I didn't really get everything done that I wanted to, but that's okay. Just leave more content for tomorrow. But I definitely edited and uploaded my video, which is actually really surprising that I was able to get that all done. Did that. Obviously work related stuff, got quite a bit of stuff done there, had a few meetings, dishes. I worked out again, which is great. I took a bit of a break because obviously I was doing my hair and stuff, so it was nice to get back into that. You saw a little bit of that. I did an ab workout by Lily Sabri and a one that I usually just do, and I stretched. I was gonna show you a bit of that, but there wasn't really much progress. I was just getting back into it because I'm quite sore from gymnastics last night. I'm just like tired in general, so. But right now I'm going to read Song of Achilles. Yes, I'm still reading it. I'm still in the same spot, but I really want to make some good headway on it this week, so I'm gonna spend the rest of the night reading. I've already washed my face, brushed my teeth, I have my retainer in. If you can tell, it's probably why I have a lisp. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, plan my day out tomorrow, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. I want to go on a walk in the morning, but likelihood slim. I'll be honest with you, I just wake up in the morning exhausted, so we'll see how I feel. But if I do, I'll bring you along. If not, I'll probably just go at lunchtime again. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put on some cafe music and I'm gonna go ahead and read. So let's go do that. was gonna say Thursday. It's not Thursday, it's Wednesday. And it's 11:40ish and I have not updated the vlog, but today's a new day. I got up this morning, read a bit, I uploaded a new blog post, which is exciting because I've been kind of like off my game with that, so I uploaded a brand new blog post. And yeah, so right now, similar to yesterday, we kind of have a packed video. Kneeling on the floor, so I won't be able to update for long, but we do have another packed day, lots of work related stuff. But I am going to be going on a walk soon. Like I said, it's almost my lunch break, so I'm gonna quickly get dressed and head on a walk. And then I also am going to, while I'm on my walk, I'm gonna stop off at the grocery store because I want to make a little pasta dish tonight. It's usual, it's literally just pasta with sauce and a bunch of seasonings and then with cheese on top, baked in the oven. It's delicious, but I'm craving that for dinner today. And I keep saying this, but daylight savings is really dark, bro. I'm always shocked every single year, but it is really dark, so I can't leave. I can't go after work. So but yeah, after work though, I am gonna be working out. Worked out last night. I don't know if I did update that, right? Worked out last night. I'm gonna work out this night, go on my walk. I have my laundry. I didn't get to it yesterday, but I did bring it up, so I can't avoid it. So I'm gonna do that after lunch. I'm gonna look at my to-do list if I can find my planner. What else I need to do today? So I have edit vlog, I gotta do the dishes. I did read this morning, but I want to do a little bit more reading. Filming this vlog, which I'm doing, and do some manifestations. I also have to do my eyebrows. Super random, but they need to be done. But that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna get ready to go on my walk soon. But yeah, also I want to order this bag off Amazon. I think I was talking about that yesterday, but basically I think I mentioned it a few videos ago. Me and my mom are planning on heading over to the States, which I'm very excited for. We just don't really know when. Just with this whole testing situation, it's a lot more complicated than we anticipated, so we have a lot of things to sort out before we go. But probably in the next few weeks we are going to be going to the States and doing a bit of shopping and stuff, Christmas gifts, all that stuff. And we're only going to be staying for like a night or two. And I don't have a duffel bag. I only have like rolling suitcases or a backpack, I realized. And now that the world is slowly opening up again, I do want to be doing a little bit more weekend trips and stuff. I don't have a duffel bag. So I was on TikTok. I don't know if I may have cut this out of a video, but I remember talking about it. But I was on TikTok and there was a trend about how, like, was it bad girls still use Vera Bradley duffel bags. I don't know if you've seen it, but if I can remember, I'll put it here. But basically, it had me going down this rabbit hole because there was a time back in middle school where I was obsessed with Vera Bradley. I had a backpack, which was, I actually think I still have both of them. Very durable, but I was like, I remember back then I really wanted a Vera Bradley duffel bag and I did not get one, but that's fine. But now that I'm older, I'm now a grown-ass 24-year-old with you know, adult money and a job. I was like, maybe this is a good time to get one because I am going on a trip kind of soon. And I don't think I mentioned this either, but I do, like I said, I work. I don't really talk much about my role or anything, but I just don't really want to put that on YouTube. But I do need to travel sometimes for work, and we are planning on traveling to Las Vegas in January. It's gonna be a week, but I'm like, these duffel bags seem very durable, and if I can go back to my study abroad days and pack efficiently, I feel like I can put everything in the duffel bag. But even then, just for weekend trips and stuff like that, I feel like it'd be good to have. I found it on Amazon Canada, so if you're in the same boat as me and you're looking for one, so they do have it on Amazon, and it's like not as expensive as I thought. I mean, $85 is still kind of a lot for me. I hate spending money, but I'm like, maybe this is a good time to invest because I have heard really good things about it, and because it's cloth, I can put it in the washing machine, and it just seems like a really good durable duffel bag. I know people who have bought it years ago and are still trucking it along, so I'm like, maybe this is a good time. So that's on my to-do list today, is to order it. I think I'm just gonna shut up and buy it because I'm just gonna keep thinking about it, and realistically I just don't have a duffel bag. So that was my rant. So we're gonna do that later and possibly get some workout clothes. But like I said, we are going to the States soon, so I don't really know if that's a good idea, but we'll see. Definitely the duffel bag. keep you updated on everything else. But my knees are hurting and I need to get ready to go on my walk, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go on our walk. Okay, while I have Amazon up, I figured I would show you the duffel. So this is it. It's the Vera Bradley cotton medium travel duffel in Holland green, and it looks cute. Like 85, which obviously is kind of a lot, but I feel like for a Vera Bradley that's actually really good. And they have a bunch of different colors, and it'll be here by Friday, so I'm excited to get it. Makes me excited to travel. And I'm getting a lip scrub. I didn't know that Nivea made lip scrubs, so there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this, and then I will talk to you guys later. Order is placed. I'm excited. Okay, so it's a bit later now, and I'm gonna go ahead and finally put my laundry away. I think we all know the issue with laundry, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put that away, and then I'm gonna have some pre-workout and work out. Today's been a really good day, actually. Gotten a lot done, feeling very productive. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm also going to finish listening to my Mile Higher podcast because I have 36 minutes left. So let's go.
There's actually some clips of him talking about this.
And that's the end of my video. I'm sorry that there's a bit of an abrupt end to this video, but as I'm editing it right now, Final Cut Pro is just not cooperating. So I really just wanted to get the video out for you guys and trying to not fight it. So but that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and to my blog, and I'll have all the links to my socials in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.